10 years. That's how long I've lived in the shadows. My absolute everything and my worst nightmare.
Keep driving. Don't look back.
Julian, the boy who never saw me. I thought my persistence would melt the ice. 3 months of needlework. Just for tomorrow. Ouch! A few drops of blood mean nothing to me. Happy birthday, Julian. I like you. I was ready to give him my entire heart. I didn't know I was walking straight into hell.
Is Maya awake yet?
She left early for an audition.
Useless. Why didn't you tell me sooner? Eat it or throw it away, I don't care. Go to Tiffany's this afternoon. Buy a piece of jewelry Mia would like. No cheap stuff.
I have classes today. I can't.
Skip them. Do you want to see our families cut off your funds? Get it done before 5 p.m. Don't ruin my mood.
Hey, watch where you're going! Oh, look, the ugly duckling speaks.
Seriously? You trying to hook Julian, a toad wanting swan meat?
Move out of the way!
Julian, you came. Julian, we were just playing around.
Mia's weekend schedule list. Give it to me.
What?
Are you deaf? The schedule list, now.
Bitch!
Don't miss your classes. Your sister would be upset.
Sorry, Julian. I have always only seen you as a little brother.
Brother? Are you rejecting me?
Don't do this child's play ever again. It's childish.
Let's play. Childish!
He's losing his mind.
You did this, didn't you?
No! Julian, it hurts!
Did you gossip in front of Mia? Did you whisper poison about me?
I didn't say anything, I swear!
You vicious, useless piece of trash! You ruined everything!
It hurt so much, but my heart hurt more. The fortress of hope inside me
Clean this mess up. Your presence disgusts me.
has completely collapsed. Another cage, another torture zone. Did you buy this dress at a flea market? Disgusting. What are you doing? Oops, my hand slipped. Suited for a rat anyway.
Pathetic.
Look away. Don't let them see you break.
What the hell is wrong with me?
Hey, Trash. Apologize for ruining my girl's mood.
I won't apologize. She assaulted me.
You little bitch! I'll teach you a lesson.
Don't you dare touch her!
Anyone else want to try?
Julian, does he actually care about me?
Shouldn't make noise in high society.
Julian, thank you.
Don't flatter yourself.
I just didn't want you embarrassing our two families. You look pathetic.
Of course. I was so stupid to hope. What the hell is going on here?
Surprise, neighbor. I'm living here now.
You bought the apartment next door? Are you insane?
To get closer to Mia, I would buy the whole building if I had to. Take this to her bed. Make sure she wakes up to it.
She hates red roses, Julian.
Tell her they mean my eternal burning passion. Don't change a word.
Day 1, the torture. Day 2, the agony.
Why did she look annoyed today? Did you not smile when handing them over?
I did exactly as you said, like a good little dog.
You better do it right tomorrow, or else!
This daily ritual has become my harshest punishment. Tell Julian if he sends one more rose, I will file a restraining order. Yes, Mia, I'll tell him. I can't do this anymore. I'm so tired. Who's there?
What a mess in such a beautiful place.
That aura, it's suffocating.
Are you okay?
The flowers are beautiful, truly exceptional.
Thank you. I dropped them by accident.
But the person who made you deliver them doesn't deserve you.
How does he know? Who is he?
Liam Sterling, if you ever want to quit this pathetic game, find me.
Liam Sterling? The ruthless CEO who just took over the city? The turning point of my life has just arrived.
Going somewhere, Chloe?
Julian, what are you doing here?
I need you to do something for me right now.
What is it you're...
Delete every single message from Liam.
Are you crazy? I can't do that.
I'm not asking. I'm ordering you.
No! Liam makes her so happy! That is her happiness! I won't ruin it!
You have until midnight. Think carefully.
Chloe! Oh my god, what happened to you? Did someone hurt you? Do I need to call the police? No, sister, it's nothing. I was just clumsy. I slipped and hit the coffee table edge. You scared me. Please be careful next time. Look! Look what Liam gave me! We are getting engaged. Congratulations, Mia. That is incredible. I want you to be my maid of honor. You have to say yes. And I've already asked Julian to be the best man. It's perfect. Julian? Best man? Of course. I would be honored.
Julian, Liam proposed. We're planning the wedding right now.
Why? Why him? I can't let her marry that bastard. I just can't.
My beautiful Mia, I promise to love you always.
This is a nightmare. More. I need more to kill this feeling. It should have been me up there.
Julian, quite a spectacular engagement, isn't it?
Get out of my face! All of you!
Mia,
Why is my heart beating so fast? He shouldn't be out there. He's completely drunk. I can't leave him to die. These are useless!